My name's Lawlor, I'm from Dublin. I decided to work in horticulture after taking 2 years off to travel. I chose to come here to Teagasc after hearing about the great facilities they have here at the Ashtown site. The lectures are really good. We work one-on-one a lot of the time with continual assessment. There's no too big exams in it. With facilities is the grounds. They have everything that you need, all the machines, tools, everything that you need to work here. I'm currently studying part-time here at Ashtown site while working full-time in horticulture. I chose to do the landscaping module to upskill in what I'm doing at the moment and learn a little bit more here. My employer is very supportive of what I do. They're giving me the time off to come here for the half day every Friday. My employers are supportive for this because I come away with something I can use. I come away with an award at the end, something that they can be proud of as well as myself. And what I've really learned here is the paving that we're doing at the moment and the curbing. The way that the lecturers teach us here on site, hands-on, is brilliant for the way we learn. If I was to give advice to anyone thinking about doing this course, go for it. It's a wonderful job. You're working outdoors, it's beautiful, great people, and here at the Ashtown site the education is top of the range.